What's up, everybody? It's Dive Squad, and we are back after 10 days of not being on the river. And it's cloudy, and the water's gross, and the water's high. But look at that tree. That's brand new. We just got back here. Brand new tree down, so you know people are going to be flipping at that. We're hopefully find some phones, some glasses, some vapes. Anything we can find. A wallet would be nice, but we're going to return some stuff too. We're going to see how much stuff we can get back. And yeah, we're hoping to make the best of it, so let's get to it.
Alright everybody, we're first rapid. It's a little shallower than before. That big tree's down over there. We're going to see what we can find here. Whew. Oh, it's swift. Alright, there he goes. Swimming under. Brand new tree. So let's see if we can get anything. Oh man, it is pushing him at that tree. Oh, I'm good. He can reach. Yeah, it's swift. Alright. Let's get the boys wet. Oh, alright, let's go. My God, it's hard to see. Tim, I'm not recording, I don't think. Oh, I am recording.
Nice.
I just saw a little bit of it and grabbed it. Well, that's a good start. It was kind of in the silt and sand. All right. Already won first rapid. Just found a phone. So I'm going to go down right behind him. Something white in the water, but look how fast this water's moving. Alright, good luck. I don't know if I can get to it. Good luck, it ain't me. I think it's a rock. Got it. Just caught her. Yep. Alright, here we go.
Just got thrown.
Alright, made it to the second rapid, but look at the amount of people getting ready to come down. Yeah, maybe more over here. We just found a kid, we pulled up, and he's holding a snake, and he got bit, and they're asking if it's poisonous. I said, no poisonous snakes, but if he dies, there he comes. I said, if he dies, it ain't on me. It ain't a copperhead or anything like that. Let's see what he's got. Alright, for the content, you gotta throw it at a girl going down the river. Next group, just...
It bit me twice.
Yeah, I see you bleeding.
Yeah, you're alright.
You're good.
Throw it. Throw it.
He said, no, please.
That's a big samurai right there. Man.
There we go.
Oh. Alright, this next group.
Go.
Dude, oh my God, I would crack up if he just throws this at this group coming up. Throw it. Throw it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, that's good. Oh my God, it's a lot of people coming. somebody's keys. Alright, I grabbed these keys, but I saw a pair of sunglasses that I missed. I'm trying to get back upstream here. Alright, let's see what I can get. Oh, missed them. Oh. Yeah, stop right there. Woo. Back of those glasses must have moved there. I missed them. I'm not. Oh boy. These people right here, and I'm paddling along, and look what's in the water. Just laying right here. A 14 Pro Max. Oh my god, it's gross and dirty. Nice. Here comes Dad. Alright, let's keep moving. Alright, we made it a little bit farther down the river. Tons of people. This one's a little bit harder to see. It's picking up. Oh boy, that's like an iPhone 7. Yeah, it's got a button too. Alright, well, it adds up. Let's go. Alright, we got a recovery mission at this rapid. Oh my god, we might have more recovery. Yep, we're gonna have more recovery missions. So, a lady just flipped. 2 people flipped. He said he lost a paddle, and I see the paddle stuck in the tree. That dude's not going to be able to get his kayak. And the one dude lost a black Samsung. Of course it had to be black, but we're going to do our best to get that back to him. So let's see. I'm gonna go around and then just go up. Oh, there's the paddle. Oh. Alright. Can't reach today. So it's gonna be a little bit of a harder one. Alright, let me clean out. Oh, I can't reach. Look at this paddle for it. Go this way. This way. No. Go this way. No. I can't reach you. That wouldn't have been good. You're welcome. Yeah. She would have been toasted. Alright, let's get that paddle. Alright, so I turn this to him. You need another one? Alright everyone, so we pulled off here to swim the rapid. Somebody said they lost their paddle, another one lost their phone. We'll see what we can find here. I don't think I'm in slow-mo. No, I'm recording right now. Oh, there he went. He just flipped. Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna go down, Tim.
Oh, that's one. Nice save, Tim. Alright, you guys. Still looking for... We found the paddles, but we're still looking for the phone that the guy lost here. Yeah, not sure where it's at. He said about 5 feet above this. But the water's so swift, it could be anywhere right now. So I'm gonna give it a swim real quick, see what we can do.
There's Dad. He's going down. A bunch of people still looking for that black Samsung. Yeah, I'd like to. Yeah, so. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna go down, keep looking for that phone, so let's see if we can do something. I'm not going all the way up to the top this time, because he said he lost it down here. There could be a little bit more stuff. I'm just gonna try to find it so they can get on their way with the river. Alright, this is gonna be rough. I don't think people realize how fast of a rapid this is. I'm in a tractor tire. Alright, let's go down. Oh God, I lied. Let's go up. Alright, now let's go down. Crap, over down. Hello. Yeah. I just stumbled upon it. You guys probably can't see it. Look at that. The Mazda keys. It's like 2024. Ooh, that hurts. Alright. I got it. Oh shit. I said I got it. You're welcome. Oh boy. Oh, that is not good. Oh. You got him? Help him out, pull him out. And that's another rescue right there. Alright. Goggles here, so we'll see if we can find it. Here's your paddle. You're welcome. What kind of find was it? Oh boy. There's somebody else lost the Samsung we're looking for too. Hey Austin, he lost his phone. Big group coming. Yeah.
That is a big old fucking wrench right there.
Oh boy.
Good placement, dude. Yeah.
It'd be a good spot to get some videos. Wow. One got out. She did not. Ugh. That dude just pushed her over. Oh, hold on. Don't fall then. Yes, definitely. Hold on. Can you crawl over maybe?
Huh?
Can you just crawl over this?
Maybe.
Put this on first.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Your book bag's stuck there. You're good there.
It has been a long time since I've looked at kayak, but I did not see this.
Alright. Are you standing on something good?
Yes.
It's okay.
Alright, I'm gonna move
Hold
your
on.
kayak.
Let me just hold the kayak for a second and let me get this on.
Yeah.
And then once I get this on.
After this tire right here, if you can see that, there's nothing over there.
Well, it's okay.
Or maybe it's not.
Nope, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can get her around, I'll get the kayak.
Alright. There we go.
Yeah, this tire is the very
you
last
grab her,
thing,
man.
and it's completely
Grab
free.
her and slip though.
Alright. And then just jump and push and float.
Okay.
And then I'll grab you.
Jump and push and float?
Yep.
I'm going to try to, there we go.
Alright, and jump.
He's got this, he's got this. I got you.
It's deep. Alright, you should be able to stand here though. But
Stand
right
right
coming
here?
up here, yeah, you can.
Hold on, nope, not yet.
There's sticks coming up that are bad.
Okay,
Can you stand?
not yet.
Alright, then we gotta go left. There's trees.
My tire.
There you go.
Woo!
Come on.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So she does not need, see, there's sticks. You do not want to go that way.
Alright.
Watch out behind you.
Okay.
Alright. It's shallow with no sticks the rest of the way, so you're good.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Oh,
Alright.
shoot, he's got my...
Yeah. You want to throw it to me real quick? Am I recording? I am recording. Throw it. Yep. Alright.
I got you. Do you think you can get in it?
I can hold it.
Well, I might be... yeah, I think I've got...
It gets a little
Roll up
shallower
in
if
it.
she can go.
Are you going to be able to get
Yes,
in?
I'll get on that.
Okay.
Just roll up in it.
Alright. Oh boy. It's coming. There we go. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna
Okay,
push you
thank
out.
you.
Yep.
Oh, Chris. Oh, now he flipped.
Hold on, I got it.
Okay.
Alright, you ready? I'm gonna give you a good old boost.
Alright, thank you so
Yep,
much.
you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Alright, you're good. Oh, don't panic. You're good. I got you. You're good. You got it? Yeah. Let's get it into a better spot. That is not a good spot. So, alright, you want to get in here? Yep, you're good. You got a paddle?
Somewhere down the river, man.
You sure it's not in the tree? Oh, that kid's gonna flip.
Yeah. No, just
I got.
push me out my wife again.
Yeah. Where'd that kid go? See out? Where's the kid? There he is. Alright. Good boy. Not pretty today. You good? Alright. I saw it. You got all your stuff? Alright, we'll get the paddle. We're looking for a paddle.
What?
Paddle?
I can't hear you.
A paddle?
Oh, I see it.
Hey. No. Yeah, pretty much. We're trying to get his paddle. If you pull off to the side, we'll throw a paddle to you. What? Yeah, like 4 people lost their stuff. We're trying to help them, but we're just trying to make sure everybody gets their gets out of the tree. All right, throw it to me. Watch out, Dad. Get out of the way. Hey, can you yell for the kid down there? Yeah, this is his paddle. Here it comes. It should float. Made it to the top. You better steer. You better steer. It's too deep. I can't reach right there. It'll blow you downstream. You have to be over there and walk up. He's got his phone. You can put it in the waterproof bag. I can try to swim over there, but I can try to swim over there. It's deep right here. Let's see what I can do here. I made it. Rotate that way, I got you. Well, they got a little harder. Don't hit the joint. Alright, I can make sure one of you gets safe. Yeah. So, if you guys got important stuff, one of you is safe. It can't be you. It's got to be him. Probably. Alright. Probably don't hold on to her, because I'm going to swing you this way. Oh, hold on to her. I'll get her. Alright. Let's not do that. Alright, I'm going to pull this side over this log to stay as balanced as possible. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Stay balanced. No, don't twist. Alright, ready? Set, go. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Alright, that guy lost his phone. I had him. I don't know why he twisted. That's it. Speaker? Oh, your paddle? I'll look for it. I lost your paddle. Just got that lady down. She's down in the tree. She's down in the tree. Huh? I just got her out of a tree. I got the paddle. Yeah, I couldn't reach. Got it? What? I can't hear you. Oh, I see it. It's wedged. Someone wants to be a and flip him out, or flip him unstuck. And the moment someone
It looks like the guy in the yellow is going to try it.
Yeah.
No, he passed him up.
Nope.
Is he going to try to grab him? He didn't try to grab him. What are you doing not grabbing him? Grab him!
There's not too many people. It's some say for, oh, he's...
Oh, see ya. Oh, boy.
And he flipped the wrong way, though.
Just make sure he comes up then. There you go.
If we go down, we're going to get hit with a kayak, or then get stuck in the pool. We can't go down and...
His phone's gone.
Do something stupid. Probably get hurt, but try. That it?
Brother?
Yeah. No problem.
I'm not worried about the prop. They probably come.
What's gone?
The prop. That's all.
Alright, here I go again.
Austin, there's one up here.
See if we can find the one I found, but couldn't grab.
Thank God. I said it was dead center, I just couldn't find it. Uh-oh. Yeah, you probably... You found it? Yeah. I think I did.
Alright, we're going down. We know there's one in front of this tree. We just both keep struggling to grab it, so... Let's see what we can do. Alright, he's right there. I got it. Thank God. I just couldn't find it. Let's go that way. That could have been bad. You found it? Yeah. I think that's it. Could be. I'm stuck like glue. And not that one song from like 2005. You and me, baby, we stuck like glue. Alright, let's get out. Alright. Nice. Here you go. I'm gonna do a line down this tree, see if we can get something lucky. I found the black Samsung.
What happened? Huh? We gotta go strut and this broke. Oh boy.
They're trying to help him dump the water out. Look what I found. On my shoe. Ooh.
On the paddle. How's it going? Alright, we were floating down. I found that paddle with the aluminum handle for a kayak, but I just saw this in the water. Take you under and look at it. And we got, oh, Samsung. Somebody be looking for that one. Oh, look, it's getting notifications. It just came out of the water. Holy cow, it's going crazy. I hope it's going crazy because of notifications and not because it's got water in it. I went off the board. Austin's camera's dead, so I'm going to throw this to him.
Well, you went for a little bit of a swim, but alright. 2% on the camera. What is this? We haven't said yet. It's not.
Oh my god, I thought that was a phone.
This opens. If
Your
you
paddleboard's going. Grab your
I
paddleboard.
see that. Here, catch.
Yeah.
And here's this.
I don't know what it is.
What the holy? I've never seen anything like it.
I thought it was a phone. Nope.
It's old and vintage, probably 70s. I have no idea what that is. Alright, well, no phone. Sorry.
Alright, we're paddling down. We just found that weird yellow thing. And we see something in the water. It's been there for a while. Oh boy. Oh my god. That's the screen of the phone and there's that much sand behind it.
Oh my god.
It's like an iPhone 6. Since we just had a lot of that rain, all the phones that were buried in the sand over the years and months, they're going to start showing up, and that's why we're finding all these old, junky phones today. Alright. That one won't be returned. Alright, let's keep going down the river. We're coming down this rapid and we saw one off the board. There you go.
Oh, my board's flying. Alright, here we go. It's got a wallet on it. It's been there for a while. Oh boy. That is like, what is that, 7? 8 plus?
Can't be an 8.
Yeah, it's got a button.
Yeah, it could be an 8, but it's a 7.
Oh boy.
Alright, well we thought he found a phone, and that looks like pieces to a baby doll.
I don't know if it's creepier if it's just a head or if it's just creepier with the body.
Oh boy. I think it said like and subscribe.
That is
but...
weird. Yeah.
Oh my god, look at it leaking all over your board. Alright, let's keep going.
Alright everybody, Austin's coming over. I think I found a flip phone. Let him come look at it first and then we'll go under and take a look. Does that look like a flip? Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely a flip. Yeah, flip phone, my second ever. That's nice.
Been there for a minute.
Yeah, it's been there for a while, but hey, I found it. That's all that matters. Alright, good. Alright everybody, here is the haul for today. Looks like we got iPhone 11 Pro Max, Samsung. I think we're going to be able to, we'll get a video returning this one to somebody. I think we saw him lose it today, but he left before we could find it. Here's another Samsung, I think there's a slide. We got a, looks like a 12 Pro or Pro Max, I'm not sure. iPhone 8. Another Samsung. The Samsung Flip. Whew, that's an old one. Won't be returning that one. That one won't be returning either. Toasty. And a bunch of sunglasses, keys. To a 2024 Mazda. Another set of keys.